Welcome to the King William Paddling Trail. This paddling trail is a great place to connect with friends and family. It has a fun atmosphere that is surrounded by cafes, art spaces, restaurants, and historical markers. People enjoy the King William Paddling Trail just south of downtown San Antonio for its calm waters and the easy-to-access ramp that is both the put-in and the takeout for your paddling adventure. The trail consists of 1.5 miles of flat water that loops between two dams. Most paddlers spend between an hour to an hour and a half on its smooth, relaxing waters to finish the loop. Be sure to check out the San Antonio River Authority website for more information and safety considerations. Are you ready? Let's go!